Former President Donald Trump's latest political maneuvers have ignited a constitutional firestorm, with legal experts and political opponents declaring his actions blatantly unconstitutional. As Trump moves closer to securing another term, his policies, executive orders, and legal battles have raised urgent questions. Can Trump be legally stopped? And if so, how? This report explores the legal mechanisms that could challenge or even halt Trump's actions, including Supreme Court rulings, congressional interventions, and state-level resistance. Trump's alleged unconstitutional actions. Critics argue that Trump's latest moves violate fundamental constitutional principles. Here are some key concerns. Election interference allegations. Trump's efforts to overturn the 2020 election results led to multiple lawsuits and congressional investigations. Ongoing cases in Georgia, Washington, D.C., and New York question whether his actions constituted illegal election interference. Use of executive power. Trump's repeated use of executive orders has been called excessive, with critics arguing that he bypasses Congress to push policies. Some of his proposed second-term plans, including using the military to deport immigrants, could face immediate legal challenges. Threats to free press and judiciary. Trump has frequently attacked the press and the judiciary, calling judges corrupt and reporters enemies of the people. If re-elected, legal experts fear he could weaponize the Justice Department against political opponents. Legal pathways to stop Trump. Despite his claims of being unstoppable, Trump faces several legal roadblocks that could prevent or restrict his power. 1. Supreme Court challenges. If Trump enacts policies that violate the Constitution, the Supreme Court can strike them down. Key cases during his presidency, such as rulings against the travel ban, DACA repeal, and census citizenship question, prove that judicial review remains a powerful check. 2. Congress and impeachment. Congress holds the power to investigate and impeach a sitting president. Trump was impeached twice before. If re-elected and found violating the law, Congress could pursue a third impeachment. State-level legal challenges. State attorneys general can sue the federal government over unconstitutional policies, as seen with lawsuits against Trump's immigration bans and environmental rollbacks. Individual states could refuse to comply with federal directives deemed unconstitutional. 4. The 14th Amendment clause. Some legal scholars argue that Trump could be disqualified under the 14th Amendment, which prohibits officials involved in insurrection from holding office. Several states have attempted to remove Trump from the ballot, citing his role in the January 6th attack. 5. Criminal convictions and disqualifications. Trump faces 91 felony charges across multiple states. If convicted of a serious crime, some legal experts believe he could be barred from holding office under U.S. law. However, the Constitution does not explicitly forbid a convicted felon from becoming president, leaving room for legal interpretation. The political and public battle. Even if legal strategies fail, public opinion and political pressure play a huge role in stopping Trump. Voter mobilization. A record turnout against Trump in 2020 helped defeat him. Will history repeat itself? Republican resistance. Some GOP officials, including former Trump allies, have warned against his return. Media and investigative journalism, exposing legal and ethical violations, could weaken his political influence. Conclusion. Can Trump be stopped? The answer is yes, but it's complicated. While Trump faces major legal and political hurdles, stopping him requires a combination of court rulings, state actions, and public resistance. The 2024 election, ongoing lawsuits, and Supreme Court decisions will ultimately determine whether Trump's return to power is inevitable, or if legal mechanisms will block him before he gets there. Do you think Trump's actions are unconstitutional? Should he be legally stopped? Drop your thoughts in the comments.